morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today, we will continue with the chapter 11, Google Drive. So, open your computer book at page number 134. In our previous session, we have learnt about Google Drive and its advantages and getting started with Google Drive. And today, we will learn the topic organizing files and folders. So the main objectives of the day are how to create, move, search, delete and restore different files and folders from Google Drive. Now our first topic from page number 136 is organizing files and folders. Organizing means arranging different files and folders in Google Drive so that we can locate them easily. Steps to create a new folder in Google Drive are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is click on New button. Third is select the new folder option. Fourth is type the name of the folder. And fifth is click on Create button. So let's do its practical. Students, to open your Gmail account, our first step is open Google Chrome. Second step is click on Google Apps icon. And our third step is click on Google Drive icon. After clicking on Google Drive icon, you will see that your Gmail account has been opened. Now to create a new folder in Google Drive, our first step is click on this New button. Second is click on Folder option. Now our third step is type the name of the folder. Here I am going to type 6th computer. And next click on Create button. After clicking on Create button, you will see that your folder has been created in the folders group. You can scroll it down to see the different folders, and just now we have created a folder with the name 6th computer. Our second topic is moving a file to a folder. Moving means shifting a file or folder from one location to another location. Steps to move a file to a folder are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is click on the file. Third is click on More Actions button. Fourth is select the Move to option. Fifth is select the folder. And sixth is click on the Move button. So let's do its practical. Students, in your Gmail account, you will see the different folders and files. Here files are having different types like PDF, .html file, image file and document file. Now suppose you want to move this image file to a folder. Firstly, you have to click on the file. Second step is click on this More Actions button. Third step is select Move to. Now you have to double click on My Drive, and after double clicking you will see the different folders in which you can move your file. Now I want to move this file to 6th computer folder. So you have to click on it and then click on Move button. After clicking on Move button, you will see this message, that is, your image file has been moved to the 6th computer folder. Now we will open our 6th computer folder, and here you will see the image file that we have moved just now. Our third topic is searching a file or folder. Searching means to look for a file using keywords that exist within the file or file name. There are 3 methods to search a file. The first one is steps to search a file by name. Our first step is open your Gmail account. Second is click on the search box. Third is enter the file name. And fourth is select the required file. In the second method, we will search a file using file type. So our first step is click on the search box. Second is select the type of file. And third is select the required file. And in the third method, we will search a file using search options. So our first step is click on the search options button. Second is fill the details of required file. And third is click on the search button. So let's do the practical of these 3 methods. Now students, suppose I want to search a file by name. Firstly, we have to click on the search box. Second step is type the file name. Now suppose I want to search the file poster. Then here I will type poster. And a list of file names will appear. Select the required file. And you will see that your poster file has displayed on the screen. Now our second method is to search a file using file type. Again, our first step is click on search box. And students, when you will click on search box, a list of file types such as PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, photos and images and videos will appear. Now you can select the type of file that you are looking for. For example, I want to search a PDF. So I will click on it. After clicking, all the files of the selected type will appear, from which you can select your required file. Now our third method is to search a file using search options. For this, we have to click on this search options button located at the right end of the search box. Now we can fill these details according to our requirement. First one is type. We will click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the different file types. Suppose I want to search an image file, then we will click on this photos and images option, and other details you can fill according to your requirement. So after specifying the type of the file, we will click on this search button and you will see that different image files will appear on the screen, from which you can select your required file. Our fourth topic is deleting files. Deleting means removing unwanted files or folders from Google Drive. And whenever you will delete anything from the Google Drive, it will move to the trash folder. Steps to delete a file are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is select the file. And third is click on remove button. And if you want to delete the file permanently, that means you want to delete the files from trash folder, then our first step is open your Gmail account. Second is select trash. And third is select the empty trash option. So let's do its practical. Now students, suppose you want to delete one file. For example, this HTML file. Then firstly you have to select it by clicking on it. And second step is click on this remove button. After clicking on remove button, a message will appear, file moved to trash. And if you don't want to delete it, you can click on the undo option. Now we will open trash by clicking on it. And here you will see the file which you have deleted just now. Now suppose you want to delete this file permanently. That is, you want to delete it from the trash. Then click on this empty trash option. And after clicking on it, you will get a message to delete forever, and we will click on the button delete forever. And after clicking on this button, you will see that your file has been deleted from the trash. Our last topic is restoring a file or folder. Restoring means to get back your deleted files from trash and restore them to their original locations. Steps to restore a file or folder are: first is open your Gmail account. Second is open the trash folder. Third is select the file. And fourth is click on the restore from trash button. So let's do its practical. Suppose I want to restore a file or folder. Then firstly I have to open trash. So I will click on trash. And after clicking, you will see the deleted files in the trash. Now suppose I want to restore this file. Then firstly you have to select it. And second step is click on this restore from trash icon. After clicking on it, you will see the message restored poster. That means your file has been restored to the original location. Now how will you check it? We will click on this drive icon. And after clicking, you will see your file has been appeared in front of you. So in this way, you can restore a file or folder from the trash folder. And now we will discuss some icons. And first one is more actions button. Second is move to. Third is search options button. Fourth is remove button. And fifth is restore from trash. So students, today we have discussed about creating, moving, searching, deleting and restoring a file or folder from Google Drive. So do reading and practical revision of the pages 136 and 137. Thank you and have a nice day.